Welcome everyone, this is Grishma all the way from egossip24.com. Today I welcome you all to the program Bal Utsav Celebrating Talent 2013. Now let's go inside and see what's happening. Hello ma'am, we're
Hello.
from eGossip24.
Okay,
Can you
namaste.
please explain what's going on?
Yes, we are doing Bal Utsav here, and then in the Bal Utsav we have got lots of activities, and then right now we are doing Art of Living Art Excel course. This is this group is 8 to 13 years old, and they are having lots of other activities in the afternoon. But right now, Art Excel stands for All Round Training in Excellence. Okay, so we train the children how to be confident, how to cope with difficult situations, how to deal with people, sometimes difficult people, sometimes easy people, even with parents. Sometimes parents also give them lots of difficult tasks, and then how to deal with that. All these activities through these discussions and pair work and group work and games, and through this we are teaching them how to become a strong person in life. And then we are also giving them some inspiration as to what is our culture, what are our values, and then how we should relive these values, because these values were very, very beautiful when our grandparents practiced this. They were very healthy, they were happy, and then they cared for each other. Okay, so nowadays slowly, because of so many external factors, children are forgetting this. Okay, caring and sharing, and then living the values, and then respect has gone. So we are actually re-inculcating these qualities in them.
Do you see any changes in children during the session?
Of course, you can see lots of changes in the students, especially when I interact with parents, and also I can see when they are sitting here, this is so much of transformation happening. Okay, some children come with very little confidence with them, and then some are very, very shy when they come, and then with different activities I can see them developing so quickly. For some it takes only one day, for some it takes few days, and some of the children are actually repeating the course because they like it so much, and they have found it that it really is helping them brush up their qualities. So you can really see that, and you can see, and at the same time parents come to us and they say I have been trying to give this knowledge to my children for these 4 years I've been trying, and then I was not able to do that, but right now I don't know ma'am what you have done. In 4 days my children have changed a lot. So this is the comment I get from the parents. So I'm happy that it is coming like this with these children.
That's really great.
Yeah, I'm very happy.
Thank you so much for the information, ma'am.
Thank you so much for being available, and then giving this information to the other people who might have children who they want to see the change in their children also. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So we just had a talk with Mrs. Neela Lamithane from Art of Living, who is taking the class Art Excel. Now we'll move on to the next session. Welcome ma'am, we're from egossip24.com, and we're here to ask you what's the class going on and what is it all about.
Okay, what we're doing is called Math Magic, and we are learning maths tricks the Vedic way. It's basically derived from the old Indian Vedic style, and in this what we do is we learn different tricks to solve the maths problems in a very simple and fast way. We have come from this organization from Hopscotch Edutainment, this organization is a franchisee of Vedic Maths and Spell Smart program. So we do this program in different schools and different places. So right now what these students are learning is different tricks to do multiplication, division, everything, and with this it will help them in their entrance exams and other maths related problems as well.
So how is it particularly helpful to children? Can you please explain?
Yes, because see, when you are, there are tricks. So with these tricks, the children learn to do their math sums in a very simple way, and it's much faster. So it has a lot of benefits. The first thing is the maths phobia, which is taken away from the child. Secondly, it is fast calculation. Third, it directly helps in their SLC and in their entrance exams. So because in entrance exams, the multiple choice questions, there's very little time for the children to solve the problems. So these tricks are helpful and in that case.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. When you're multiplying 42 into 9, what do we do is, first we take the base of this number. 42 equals to 40 plus 2. It's 40 plus 2, or we can say 50 minus.
Now we've come to the end of this program, and our team has come to know that Bal Utsav is not only a celebrating talent program but also a grooming and skill developing program. See you next time on egossip24.com. Bye bye.